Matt Talhelm's here to take us along on the hands-free ride and a story you'll see first on NBC29. Hey, Matt.
Hey there, Casey. Right now, Perrone Robotics is working with an auto manufacturer to perfect its technology. The company's software allows drivers to cruise along hands-free behind the steering wheel.
The brake just went down. It's holding the car into place.
On fresh blacktop,
go ahead and get lined up.
At the site of an abandoned lumber yard in Crozet,
We'll fire up our software.
a new technology is revving up to revolutionize the way we drive.
So that's what we call it, Robo World.
Paul Perrone and his team at Perrone Robotics are developing and testing software for self-driving cars.
We kind of have like a Lego kit for autonomous cars. You're letting the computers and the brains of this software drive the car.
Perrone created the basic technology 14 years ago in a robot he called Beaker.
Beaker was a small indoor robot that basically chased my cat.
Before building his first self-driving car for a contest to cross the Mojave Desert.
I took the same software that was in the small robot Beaker and I put it into this large robot that I called Tommy.
Now Perrone's technology is stacked in the trunk of test Range Rovers and Lincolns.
This is what we use to experiment with our software.
An update to install some new parameters.
The software sends messages to control the car's steering wheel, brake, and throttle. GPS maps the car's location and monitors speed limits. Sensors and cameras surround the vehicle. LiDAR sensors scan 360 degrees around the car at distances of about 60 feet out. Radar detects more narrowly objects in front of the car, including pedestrians. It's all combined in a technology called sensor fusion that tells the car what to do to avoid those objects.
Just tells us all these situational conditions that we as human beings can't possibly process as fast or as effectively.
The team puts the autonomous vehicles through hours of testing on the track every day, throwing obstacles in its path and tweaking the software.
We basically test how well the maneuvers behave as far as how well does it stop. Do we have sufficient room to do the passing if we're needed to?
We think our technology is ready now.
Perrone believes his robotic technology will make driving safer and more convenient.
I'm looking forward to the day where I can read or maybe take a nap on the way to work or on a long trip.
Now, the company says it is still at least 3 to 5 years before its software is in cars that are actually out there on the roads. Perrone says the price to install this autonomous technology, though, is coming down, and it can even be built into home robots, mining trucks, and even golf carts. Live in the studio, Matt Talhelm, NBC29 HD News at 6.